Hi creative, welcome to Vicky Graphics. Today I will show you how to create a clean minimalist recipe poster design like meat pie layers. Let's get started. So you can see different type of meat pie layouts. We are using two tools for this. We are using Chatgpt and Grok AI. So let's open our Chatgpt. And because this prompt I will be pasting it in the description box below. So I uploaded a picture like it, and I told it to give me the prompt, and it gave me. So this prompt I'm going to be copying it and I'll copy it and I'll move it to Grok AI. You can install Grok AI on your phone, on your Play Store. So this is, we are going to be clicking on imagine. There's ask and imagine. Clicking on imagine, and we are going to be selecting image, and we are going to click on the prompt. I'm going to wait till this load because my network is bad, so that's why this is not loading fast. We are going to be waiting until load. We are going to be waiting till it load, so you can see this. You can see the image. This is best for catering services, and that's how to create a simple professional recipe poster. If this video helpful, like, subscribe and follow Vicky Graphics for more design tips. See you in the next one. Bye.